I am planting tomatoes in the garden. I am digging a hole for the new tree. I am mowing the lawn. I am weeding the vegetable patch. I am watering the flowers. I am picking fresh herbs for dinner. The flowers are blooming beautifully. I am harvesting ripe tomatoes. I am sowing carrot seeds. I am mulching around the plants to retain moisture. I am trimming the hedge. I am raking the leaves. I am drying herbs for winter use. I am fertilizing the soil to enrich it. I am pruning the tree to encourage growth. I am tying the climbing tomatoes to the trellis. I am spraying the plants to protect them from the pests. I am spreading compost in the wheat field. I am mixing potting soil for the containers. I am covering the delicate plants to shield them from frost. I am chopping the fallen branches. I am grafting a branch onto a fruit tree. I am potting new flowers for greenhouse. The seedlings are growing fast. I am shoveling manure into the wheelbarrow. I am clipping the topiary. I am picking fruit. I am spreading straw on the ground. I am enjoying the garden's beauty. I am sweeping the garden path. I am piling up the compost. I am feeding the birds. I am arranging the patio plants.